Welcome, yogi, to this 5-minute neck stretch. We're going to begin right away in tabletop today. So if you'd like to come to all fours, if your knees feel uncomfortable in this position, you can place your blanket underneath them. And we're going to begin with some breath and movement combined. So you're going to soften your chest towards the floor and let your shoulder blades start to draw together. And then press the ground away and separate your shoulder blades. So you're coming into protraction and retraction. The exhale is when you drop your chest down. Shoulder blades draw together on your back. And the inhale, you separate your shoulder blades. And really use the breath to inflate the space between them. Exhale, soften down. Keep the belly firm. Inhale, separate. And just keep doing this a few more times. I like to do this whenever I'm coming into some neck stretches, or especially if I have a bit of a crick in my neck. This just starts to move some of those muscles that move down from the neck into the upper back and shoulders. I find it often helps as a good starting point. Just one more time. Retract, draw together. And protract, separate. Lovely, and back to neutral. And then we can take a seat. We're focused on the neck, as I said, so make your seat comfortable. It could be that you sit up on a blanket. You could even do this sitting on a chair if that's most comfortable for you. Any position will do. We'll start by breathing in and getting tall and tilting your head to the right. Take a breath in and soften both of your shoulders down. And then tilt your head down towards your collarbone a little. And back out straight to the right. And lift your head up. Do the same on the other side, over to the left. Relax both of your shoulders. Deep breath in. Turn your head down towards your collarbone a bit. And lift it straight out to the side again. Lift your head up and just give your shoulders some movement in circles. You could do that together like I'm doing, or they could kind of shimmy one at a time. Good. Let's go again. Head to the right, but this time left fingertips out to the side of you. So if you're sat on a chair, they can hover out there. If you're on the floor, perhaps they touch the floor. And again, just move around a little bit. Explore lifting and lowering. I'll lift up. Try the other side. We're going to go to the left with the right hand, left with your head, right hand down and right. And move around. If you're feeling tension and tightness, just soften your way into it. Let go of some of the resistance to it, or trying to force anything. Lovely. Come on up. Tuck your chin towards your chest. And give it a little lift up. Think more length than back with your head. So not letting the head drop back, just lifting your chin up. And again, gently tucking it down. And again, gently lifting it up. And head to neutral. Look to your right as far as you can. Take a deep breath in. Feel like you're pulling your left collarbone open a little bit. Exhale. Turn your head back to the middle. Try looking as far left as you can comfortably. Excuse me. And on this one, you pull your right shoulder blade back a little. Right collarbone opens up. Good. Turn your head back to center. One more time. Glance over to the right. Return to center and glance to your left. And back to the middle. Move your head any way you need to. Lovely, Yogi. Bring your hands together in front of you. Thank yourself for taking 5 minutes to slow down and stretch. Let's take a deep breath in together and let it go. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.